Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Windows 10 PC folder icon. So as we can see, it's default thumbnail on this folder. So if you want to change this icon or for thumbnail on this folder, so right click on it, then click on properties, in here click on customize, then click on change icon. You can change the folder icon. If you change the icon, it will no longer show a preview of the folder's contents. So click on change icon, and in this list select any icon which you like, and also you can select folder icon as your content, like in this folder some images, so you can select this one and then click on OK, then click on apply, then OK. So this is the folder, and by this icon we can see in this folder are some images. So very simple, right click, properties, then customize, then click on change icon and select in this list, then apply, then OK. That's it. So by this quick method we can change Windows 10 folder icon, and if you want to set a default icon, so again click on that folder, properties, customize, change icon and select this default icon, then OK. That's it. Thanks for watching.